Hello, my name is Flemming. I'm the product employee and the product owner of Eibach for Schmiedmann Odense. Today I've had the beautiful opportunity to meet up with Thomas from Eibach and learn about all his products from the Eibach catalog. We've been speaking about both the coils, the springs and the sway bars. Besides that, we've also gotten the bolts and the screws, so you can be prepared to see all the products on the internet. Besides that, he's also brought out his beautiful BMW G87 M2 and we had a nice roll with that.
Okay, Flemming, now we have talked a lot, and now it's time to feel it, how it's driving.
Let's do that. Oh Jesus, okay, cool.
So how does it feel?
It feels very different. It's actually very nice. It's very soft compared to what I thought.
For this kind of suspension or lowering, it's very soft, I think.
Yeah.
It combines, as we discussed before, a lowering with comfort. That's our thought of performance. Yeah.
Very good.
Okay, you should try it again.
So all in all, it's been a very great day here at Schmiedmann and as the product owner of Eibach. So go to schmiedmann.com and see all the products from Eibach on our websites for both BMW and Mini.